Welcome to the Childcare Genius Podcast, the world's leading authority on childcare marketing, mindset, expansion, and profitability. Our host, Brian Duprey, is the world's most sought-after childcare coach, having helped tens of thousands of childcare owners from around the globe take their business to the next level. Let's welcome to the Childcare Genius Podcast, our host, Brian Duprey.
Hello, welcome to the Childcare Genius Podcast Training Series. I am Brian Duprey, along with my beautiful wife, Carol, and we're going to do a quick podcast training series today, and it's the end of the year, and we're going to do an episode today on ideas to save money. I know some of you at the end of the year, they're looking at your profits for the past year, and some of you, your profits have shrunk. A lot of grant money is a lot less this year than in previous years, so I'm noticing the bottom line shrinking. And I noticed even a couple people that I've coached actually have lost money this year. And so it's a struggle. So we're going to give a couple money saving ideas in these last couple episodes of the year. And today I'm going to pick a topic that Carol knows a lot about. And it is how to save money by maybe not necessarily hiring a cleaning company to clean your center. So there's all some ideas, because I know some people, we've looked at their budget, they're spending thousands of dollars a month on cleaning companies.
Yeah. If you look at your centers and there's a couple different things you can do. First of all, have your teachers do general cleanup every day, so that their rooms are ready for the next day. And then you can have possibly one of your teachers, either a part-time teacher that you wouldn't have to pay overtime that needs some extra money, or a teacher that you would have to pay overtime, time and a half. If you calculate that, it's going to be less than you're paying a cleaning company. And they might do a better job, because I've talked to some people that have cleaning companies and they're like, they don't really do everything we need them to do, where your teachers know what the center should look like. And if they come in and clean once a week, do a cleaning, and then twice a year, we have holidays that we close and our teachers don't get paid for the holiday unless they come in and clean. So twice a year, we do a deep clean of the center where they spend all day just doing a deep clean. And it has worked well for us for 28 years.
And so you could just, have one teacher come in on a Saturday even and just pay him time and a half. I'm sure you have one teacher that needs extra money.
Right.
And that during the week, you're just doing the general stuff. And that person can do a deep clean for 8 hours on a Saturday. And I guarantee it's going to be a lot cheaper than hiring a company to come in. You could also go on care.com, right?
Yes.
And find a cleaning person.
Yeah, you can go on care.com and just get a person that will come in and clean. It's not a cleaning company, and it's usually cheaper. And you can also tell them exactly what you need done and I give my cleaning person a checklist of what I want done, and they check it off as they go along.
If you have multiple schools, you could do this. One person go around multiple schools on a weekend, or different people could do it as well. There's so many different options. But if your budget is getting tight, this is just one idea on how to save literally thousands of dollars a year. Thousands of dollars saved is money in your pocket.
Right. Exactly.
And you'll have a cleaner center. Parents will be happy. You'll be happy.
Yeah.
And of course, saving money always makes people happy.
And it's much easier if the person already works for you. If something isn't done, you can talk to them the next day and say, this was done, but this is the way I would like it done.
Exactly. And if it's a cleaning company, usually that word doesn't get out to the person who cleaned, what you didn't miss. So yeah, I think it's a much better avenue. And like I said, I've seen $2,400 a month bills for a single school for deep cleaning. And it's no more cleaner, I think, than if one of your employees did it, or you just, your teachers should be able to clean up their own classrooms.
Right.
I mean,
yeah.
If it's beneath them, you need to get different teachers. It shouldn't be beneath them to keep their own room basically clean. You can have somebody else maybe do a deep scrub in it, but they should take pride in their work, in their workspace.
Right.
Anyway, that's the tip and tool for today. I hope you guys appreciate it. Hey, it's the end of the year. If you haven't got your tickets yet for Las Vegas, you got to get them quick. The price does go up on January 1. So we're going to both be in Vegas, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
We're going to be bringing hundreds and hundreds of people there, and we hope you got your tickets yet. Go to childcaregenius.com Go to the conference tab and grab your tickets today before the price goes up on January 1. All right, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody has an amazing holiday. And we'll be back next week with more tips and tools and money saving.
Thank you for listening to the Child Care Genius Podcast. If you enjoyed the show, please do us a favor and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a future episode. Don't forget to visit our website at childcaregenius.com to see a list of services we offer to help grow your child care business. Until next time, thank you for being a part of the Child Care Genius community.